Hey, good morning out there. How are you doing? It's Monday. It's May 8th. And as you can see, we have a guest artist in the house today. This is Poppy Clark. And yesterday, we did a little song with her sisters, Teddy and Hazel. I'm sure you remember if you watched. And today, Poppy's going to do us the honor of singing a little Grace Slick and Jefferson Airplane. We're going to do that 60s iconic psychedelic tune from Grace Slick, White Rabbit. Are you ready?
I think so.
Okay,
yes.
well, we'll do it. And here we go.
One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall, tell them a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you the call. Call Alice, she was just small. When men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, some kind of mushroom, and your mind is moving low. Go ask Alice, I think she'll know. When logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, and the white knight is talking backwards, and the red queen's off with her head, remember what the dormouse said. Feed your head, feed your head.
Yeah. Way to go, Poppy.
Thank
that
you.
was beautiful.
Thank you.
So, that was your song for your Monday. That ought to get you rolling pretty good and get the blood flowing. And we will see you guys back here tomorrow, without Poppy, of course, sadly. And but we'll invite her back to the music room someday soon and pick another tune. So
Yeah.
we'll see you guys down the road. Stay safe and keep on the sunny side.
Bye.
Bye.